Hello, welcome to
Hello.
Brits American Tour. You're with me, BP1 and BP2.
Yep.
Today, we're checking out the Ohio State Marching Band ramp entrance
Ooh, okay.
and script in Ohio in 2024 in 4K. So we've got a really nice picture for you. And it's slightly different to other marching band videos that we've done on the channel. We recently did the Florida
Yes.
marching band, which is incredible. Good fun as well, amazing dancing as well as the musical, I don't know, experience,
Spectacle,
wasn't
it? It was just
Yeah.
a spectacle, like I say. And as we mentioned on that video, if you haven't seen it yet, it should have been what you guys used over there for the halftime show in the finals of the
Yeah, the
Soccer World Cup. But anyway, brilliant. Looking forward to seeing what this one's all about, mate.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
ramp entrance, yeah? I guess this is
Was
where
it?
they're sort of coming down.
We've always seen
Yeah,
from
from
above,
above.
so it's quite be quite good to see, from the
Different perspective.
different perspective. Yeah. All right, let's get up close and personal. Remember, this is a college football match. Even the entrance is perfect, isn't it? How many drums? That was like 6 drums. Listen to the crowd, mate. That's mental.
So you got on the guard down here as well. That's probably a good quality kit as well.
Yeah. That is so funny. I can't believe how many there are.
It's still coming. Different instruments as well. Yeah. Look at them bad boys. That's because I can't see them.
This is... What are they saying? This is justice.
Mate, still coming down the ramp. How cool.
I'm amazed. I mean, we've seen them on the field. I mean, this is incredible to see them all on the ramp there, coming out.
Is there still more of them?
There can't be more, surely. Oh, it's the...
Fast pace as well, you know?
The crowd are singing as well. What I like about it is traditions, isn't it? So this is the ramp entrance before their season opener. And just everybody knows who's what to sing, the song that they're singing, and everything else. For a college football match, we just forget it's just college. I suppose there's a lot of excitement as well, isn't there?
Oh, it's fantastic, isn't it?
The Ohio State University welcomes the Zips from the University of Akron.
And they're getting booed. The away team. Can you imagine how big their changing rooms have got to be? With all this lot.
Yeah.
It's so cool how they're so in time.
Moving around though, isn't it? You know, so much scope for error and things to go wrong.
It is, yeah. You can only see it from above, whereas when you see it like this, you see how actual close they are. It's just impeccable timing.
The amount of hours they must put in, you know.
It is, yeah,
Coming up with
hours.
new routines as well. I think every single one of them must know what they're doing. If one gets it wrong, then that would cause.
It's like Lemmings, isn't it?
Yeah.
And he's only got to lead them incorrect half a step,
Yeah.
and you don't know the
wrong way.
consequence of that. Here we go, look. You can't beat a live band, can you? How many there are?
That's massive, isn't it? We should have counted him on the way in.
Where are they all going? They just started going around in a circle. How many-
Look at all them tubers. Yeah.
It's incredible, yeah. Loads of them. Honestly, mate, I don't know how they do it. I just can't believe the amount of people that came out of the
Yeah.
the tunnel.
Yeah.
You know. So is it the ringmaster? I don't know. I say ringmaster. Who's the guy in charge?
They normally call the drum major.
John Major. Seems that you've got to have a bit of personality to have that role.
I think so, yeah. But, like I say, they don't stop either.
Oh look, they spout Ohio. Up here it says Ohio. So cool. Very good. What I liked about that was it was good to see a different perspective for us. We've seen a few marching bands now, and I think the first till 3 minutes there is all about them coming out of the tunnel, and just the
that was
sheer
just
amount.
amazing in itself. So yeah, just quickly double check my big mouth there. The person out the front of an American college marching band is a drum major, also sometimes known as a field commander.
There you go.
Before we had the old comments light up saying we don't know nothing.
You're
Brilliant.
British. No, I enjoyed that.
How cool was
Hopefully
that?
you did as well.
And I think we asked the question before on our other channel, but were you part of one of these marching bands, through your college years? What was it like? Did it make a change your direction of your life, the way it went? Did you stay in music, or was it just something you did for your college formative years and then dropped it altogether? Just keen to understand, how you
Yeah.
get into it and where your prospects lie after it, really.
Well, I would have said so some huge values get learned as
Yeah.
well by being part of a band like that. The
Yeah, I should think so.
dedication, commitment.
Yeah,
You're part of a team. You're very
that's
much a
it.
team player, not an
Teamwork.
individual. So I think that there's a hell of a lot of values to this, depending on
Yeah,
whatever they
smart.
do in life.
Exactly,
So
yeah. Brilliant. I
yeah,
think it's great.
good,
There you go, mate.
good Sherlock, as we say over here in the UK. There you go. Hopefully, as
Big
BP2
thumbs up
says,
to
let
that
us
one.
know in the comments. All right. Will we be
Nicely
back
done, mate.
soon? So
Yep.
until then, it's a goodbye from me.
Goodbye from him. Take care to you. Bye.
Hello. Bye.